This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. 22nd, 2018. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine. I guess she says there's soot around the boiler and stuff, so they got a power venter over there, and I guess the husband said he's seen some blue smoke coming out, so that don't sound good. I'll have to go over there, pull it apart, clean it all out, and then, get it up and running again. Vacuum it, get the soot out of it, get it up and running. Change the nozzle. We'll see when we get there. I know they got a door on that. If they're running it with that door closed, it's gonna be a problem. That might be what the problem is. A little room there, Try to get you some shots. Got the heater on for Miss Molly. Not looking good there. I'm gonna take it all apart, clean it good. I'll take all this smoke pipe apart and clean it all good. Not gonna be pretty. Shut this off. Let's see how bad it is in there. Alright, took the smoke pipe out. Now I take this brush and I kind of go and, get inside the pipe and I swirl it around and get all the stuff. Look at the pile of stuff I got here. And then I bang it on the ground and I can vacuum it up. Definitely sooted. Not good. I gotta take it all apart, clean it good. Not good. We'll pull this door, open this door up and vacuum it out really good. Not easy. Not easy being cheesy. Go around and brush it really good, get all the stuff out of it. It's not easy. I'll open it up and clean it out. most glamorous job, that's for sure. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'll have to definitely put a new nozzle in it. For sure, for sure. We'll get the top back together in the smoke pipe and then we'll take it from there. Alright, I got the top on. You can see I brushed it down and cleaned it good, so vacuumed it all out. And we'll put the smoke pipe back together and fire it up. Change the nozzle. Filter's probably still fine. We'll check that too. First thing we'll do is change the nozzle. That's the first thing. So it's up like that, you gotta change the nozzle. Oh, get it up and running and check the air band, maybe give it a little bit more air. That's fine. Why would you wear gloves? I never figure it out. Nope, never figure it out. Why would somebody wear gloves? Probably just needs more air. Who knows? We'll definitely change the nozzle. It's a 45B. 75 45B. That's what belongs in there. I'm sure we're getting a good oil flow. I'm sure of that. It's probably just a bad nozzle. There's the nozzle we need right there. Sometimes you just tweak the air band, put a new nozzle, tweak the air band a little bit, you'll be alright. I just changed the filter at the tank in February, so it wasn't that long ago. 6 months. She says the door's been open. They didn't close the door, so I don't know. When I first started, I'll make sure I get a good oil flow here. It should fire right up. After a while, these things start getting hard. You gotta get new ones. Got the oil back on at the tank, so we should be alright. might have just been a bad nozzle. Might give it a little bit more air, just for shits and giggles. Just for shits and giggles. Well, I know we're getting a good oil flow. Got a new nozzle in it, got it all vacuumed. That's perfect draft right there, see it? Perfect. Alright, so I was here 8 months ago. I put a new filter in that tank, new nozzle, good draft, over fire. And called me back, had set it up, so brushed and vacuumed it, new nozzle, reset air band, good oil flow, good draft. I gave it a little bit more air, probably didn't need to, but just for shits and giggles. It's all back together. I got all the screws back in. It's all clean. Ready to go. I got half a tank. I got oil this. They say they leave this door open all the time, so hopefully they do. You can see it's been burning black a little bit. See it on the ground there? So she should be fine now. Shit happens. You ever hear that saying, shit happens? That's the truth. Hey there, Miss Molly.